will vote on Tuesday in what President Trump and challenger Joe Biden both describe as the most important election in our lifetime. The death toll from a powerful earthquake which hit western Turkey roses 200 today on Tuesday. Afghanistan mourns after 22 killed in university attack. Pakistan Minister for Education said on Monday the government had made no decision yet to close schools and universities. Typhoon lashes Philippines as more than 2 million people affected. Antiquities recovered in 2015 in New York City returned to Pakistan government. New law passed to dismiss extremists from state institutions in Egypt. Pakistan seeks Arab investment for Dubai Light Desert Safari in Thar.